Athorimi a ithurano kuma Ngwataniro ya mabururi ma Afrika moigite ni makenetio ni ikinya ria muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ithurano wa Fula Chebukati kuga kamiti iyo ni haririe gutabania githurano kia ruciu.
We need to respect these decisions whichever way they are. But obviously the view of the African Union is that it is better. It is best, not better. It is best that our people should have the freedom freely to choose who should govern them.
Moigite Mukenya wothe ari na kihoto gia guikia kura, no angikorwo kurio matarenda guthurana, matie ihoto cia aria angi. Na gukiri uguo makorie Ngwataniro ya NASA, matare arumiriri ao matikanathararie mihang'o ya ithurano.
And therefore we've noted the decision of NASA to withdraw its candidates from the election. And it is their right to do so, and we respect that. But in the same vein, we respect the rights of those who want to vote. And therefore, we would want to say that all of us indeed have to respect the decision of the Supreme Court, as well as the decision as a constitution, and therefore let those who are ready to participate in elections do so without hindrance.
Now athikabu a kanitha wa gatoreki nikihinyiriirie a Kenya kuiga thayu hindi ona thutha wa githurano.
Therefore ask our two leaders to urge their supporters to remain peaceful before, during and after, regardless of the outcome.
We specifically appeal that the demonstrations be called for on the 26th of October be called off.
Ningi ni maroria thirikari gutigirira Mukenya wothe ni aheo ugitiri mugashiru hindi ya wikia wa kura ona thutha ucio.
We as religious leaders are calling upon the government and the citizens of Kenya to ensure that right to life is protected and guaranteed in the Constitution of Kenya.
We have also drawn their attention to look beyond post-election challenges which need their attention before.
Athikabu acio ningi ni maroria a Kenya kunyitanira nao niguo kuhoera thayu wa bururi. Inoro TV jitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.